At this year's Interpack for the cosmetic and personal care sector, we are presenting our MLS platform in combination with the RPS and showing how both solutions work seamless together. And for the first time, we are presenting our SLS platform and showcasing the new capabilities. The SLS is our newest filling and closing platform in the Smart family. It combines high performance with high product flexibility, what makes it really special. The MLS focuses on cosmetics and is more for the low to mid-range performance category. The SLS instead targets the personal care sector on the high performance segment. Both together covering a broad market in the cosmetic and personal care sector and supporting our goal to be the best partner for our customers.